Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you algal toxins, their types and effect on flora and fauna. Students, algal toxins are the toxic substances released by some type of algae when they are present in large quantity, as in the case of harmful algal bloom, and further when they decay or degrade. High nutrient levels and warm temperature often result in favorable condition for harmful algal bloom to occur. Students, cyanobacteria have the capacity to produce hazardous toxins harmful to both aquatic and human life, as well as flora and fauna of the surrounding. These toxins can find their way through levels of food chains and are subsequently consumed by humans, causing diseases like diarrhea, vomit, paralysis, and other effects in humans, mammals, or in fish. And in most serious cases, they can even cause the death. Students, algal toxins are produced by various algae and are found in both seawater and freshwater. Toxins are usually released when an algal bloom dies off. The cell membrane rupture causes the spread of produced toxins in water bodies and their absorption by organic material in the water column. Thus, they affect the water, flora, and fauna. However, toxins can also be released into the water by live algal cells. A specific toxins can be produced by different algal species, and a single algal species is able to produce multiple types and variants of toxins. So you can imagine their multifarious effect on the flora and fauna. Low cell densities are often sufficient to reach dangerous toxicity level of toxins. In addition, water or seafood contaminated with toxins are odorless and tasteless. And these toxins cannot be destroyed even by cooking or freezing. Next is history of algal toxins. The toxicity of blue-green algae have been reported by swimmer. The early reports of cyanobacterial poisoning was reported around 1000 years ago, when General Zhu Jiling reported mortalities in troops that drank water from a river in southern China. But first known confirmed incidence of cyanobacterial toxin poisoning was reported from an Australian lake in 1878. Students, group of algae producing algal toxins are many bloom forming species of algae are capable of producing biologically active secondary metabolites which are highly toxic to human health and other animals. Out of 50 genera of blue-green algae, at least 8 have exhibited toxic characters, and these include Anavina, Nostoc, Nodularia, Lingbia, Coleosphaerium, Microcystis, Oscillatoria, and Cylindrospermium. Students, different type of algal toxins are produced by algae, and the major classes are neurotoxins, hepatotoxins, saxitoxins, lipopolysaccharides, cylindrospermopsin, contact dermatitis, and microcystins. Students, let's know these classes one by one. First one is neurotoxins. As its name indicate, it affect human nervous system. Students, neurotoxins are produced by different genera of cyanobacteria, including Anavina, Microcystis, Planktothrix, Rhapidopsis, Cylindrospermium, and Oscillatoria species. Neurotoxins of Oscillatoria and Anavina species are responsible for animal poisoning. Neurotoxins usually cause acute effect in vertebrates, including rapid paralysis of the peripheral skeleton and respiratory muscles. Neurotoxins affect the nervous system of animals. Next is hepatotoxins. As its name indicates, it affects human liver. Nodularian is a potent hematotoxin for human and animals. It induces liver hemorrhage in mice, when it is injected in artificial way. The toxic effect of nodularian are primarily associated with the hepatic cells because the toxin is transported to liver by the bile acid multispecific transporters. Nodularian is most commonly produced in filamentous planktonic cyanobacterium known as Nodularia spermigena. Consumption of it cause liver hemorrhage in animal. Next one is saxitoxins. Students, saxitoxins are heterocyclic neurotoxins which act like carbamate pesticide. Saxitoxins are produced by different freshwater algae like Anivina, Lyngbya, etc., which produce shellfish poisoning. Saxitoxins bind to site 1 on the voltage dependent sodium channel and cause the blockage of neuronal activity. The symptom of paralytic shellfish poisoning starts within 30 minutes of ingestion of toxins. Symptoms include tingling of lips, tongue, throat, and numbness of face. The saxitoxins cause several health problems in man, which include perspiration, vomiting, diarrhea, and in cases of acute poisoning, numbness may spread to neck, other parts, which lead to loss of motor coordination and finally lead to paralysis. So these are the effect of saxitoxins on human being. Next one is lipopolysaccharides. Students, lipopolysaccharides are known as irritant toxins and are generally found on outer membrane of cell wall of gram-negative bacteria and cyanobacteria. Lipopolysaccharides are formed of two parts, lipids and proteins. It is generally the lipids component of lipopolysaccharide molecule. It causes an irritant allergic response in human and mammals. The lipopolysaccharides of cyanobacteria are less potent than the lipopolysaccharide from pathogenic gram-negative bacteria such as Salmonella. Students, lipopolysaccharide is a potent activator of macrophages. It can result in the production of cytokines of growth factors. Next one is cylindrospermopsin. It is an alkaloid discovered in 1979 when 148 people were hospitalized in Palm Island, Australia. This was caused due to Cylindrospermum racebaxi. It also affects animals. Generally, it is a cytotoxin which affects the protein synthesis. It also interferes with the system of liver, nerves, heart, thymus, etc. It is a potential carcinogen, means it can cause cancer. Cylindrospermopsin is produced by 8 freshwater cyanobacterial members. Out of these, Cylindrospermopsin racebaxi is major. Next one is contact dermatitis microcystins. Students, microcystins produced by Microcystis anabina and oscillatoria. These are associated with algal blooms and hepatotoxicity. The name microcystis derived from the toxins that were first isolated from Microcystis aeruginosa. The toxicity of microcystins is due to their strong binding to protein phosphates. On ingestion, microcystins are transported to liver by organic transport proteins, where they exert their toxicity by inhibition of protein. Inhibition of protein phosphate can lead to excessive phosphorylation, cytoskeleton degradation, and breakdown of hepatic ultrastructure. This ultimately leads to local tissue damage, organ failure, and hemorrhagic shock. So these are the effect of contact dermatitis microcystins. Students, marine toxins according to the effect they cause to organism, which have been all associated with human consumption of shellfish contaminated with toxins, and these include paralytic shellfish poisoning, and the toxins responsible for these type of poisoning is saxitoxins, while the organism associated are Lexandrium, Gymnodinum, and Pyrodinum species. Second poisoning is diuretic shellfish poisoning, and the toxins responsible for this are oxalic acid and dinophysis toxins, while the organism responsible for this are dinophysis and Prorocentrum species. Third one is amnesic shellfish poisoning, and the toxins which cause this is domic acid, and the organism causing this is Pseudoniscia. Next one is neurotoxic shellfish poisoning, and it is caused by brevitoxins, while the organism are Carenia brevis, Cantanilla and others. Next one is azaspiracid shellfish poisoning. Azaspiracids is the responsible toxin for this, and it is caused by Protoperidinum and Azadirachum species. Students, cyanobacteria, which are principally responsible for algal blooms in fresh water and at lesser extent in marine environment, are able to produce toxins which are classified as follow. First one is hepatotoxins that act on liver, and the toxins responsible for this are microcystins and nodularian, while the organism are Microcystis anaemia and others like Nodularia and Nostoc. Second one is cytotoxins that produce both hepatotoxin and nephrotoxic effect, and toxins responsible for it are Cylindrospermopsin, while the organism causing it are Cylindrospermopsis, Anaemia, Lingvia, Oscillatoria, etc. Next is neurotoxin that cause injury on the nervous system, and the toxins responsible for this are anatoxins, saxitoxins, as well as methylamino L-alanine, and the organism responsible for it are Anaemia, Cylindrospermopsis, Oscillatoria, Lingvia, Nostoc, as well as Microcystis. Last one is dermatotoxins that cause irritant responses on contact, and it is caused by lipopolysaccharides, Lingvia toxins and aplysiotoxins, and the organism responsible for this type of toxic effect are Microcystis, Oscillatoria, Anaemia, Lingvia, etc. So students, these are the major classes of the toxins and the organism which are responsible for causing different effect on human beings. Students, when these toxins are released in water during harmful algal blooms, their toxic effects in human are believed to occur through different routes, and these routes may be consumption of contaminated seafood, inhalation by aerosol or wind dispersed particles of dried algal material, ingestion of water or scum, as well as direct contact with skin or conjunctiva. So students, that's all about the algal toxins, their types and their effect on human being. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you for listening.